Hi guys, it's me again GC and welcome back to my channel GC Bonsai and Gardening. In today's episode, we will be working with this Vitex Parviflora, also known here in local as Molave and Tugas Bato or Tugas Sarangani. This material I got this from the show that I have attended at Davao Oriental, and I bought this Yamadori material from Hunt. And now it's been 3 years and counting for this material. I have initially found out that this can become a Sokan style or a double trunk or a twin trunk style. So you can see here, there are two trunks here that is protruding from a single root base. As you can see here guys, I'm using this plastic basin as my training pot. Okay, so in this episode we will be trimming, and then we will get all the existing wires and then rewire it again, and then position the branches from the let's start from the bottom, which is from this little trunk here, and then the main trunk or the mother or the father trunk will be the next. So we will start from the bottom and then going up. And then in today's episode, we will get this in shape so that we can achieve a good double trunk or twin trunk style. But before we continue, let's have a 360 view first. So come and join me. So guys, I'm back, and as you can see here, this is the result of our workshop yesterday. We haven't continued to film the finished product just because the weather is not in good condition and it's raining heavily. So as you can see here guys, I have here with me now the result of our workshop yesterday, and this is the Sokan style or the double trunk style. As you can see, the root base is now clear to see, and then the two trunks that is protruding in a single root system is now visible, and the main branches, as you can see here guys. And then however, there are still needs to be developed, especially the branches at the lower part, the lower portion, especially this one. So that's why I let this, I didn't cut this out here, because we need to elongate this so that the branch here in the inner part will gain more girth or thickness. There are more things to develop in this material, especially the apex for this the younger trunk, and then the branch here, as I have said, and then the branches, if there will be shoots inside, maybe we will cut this back and make it more compact so that it will give an illusion of a younger looking tree. So as you can see here, the apex is now forming an outline in which a good progress for this material. Maybe after 6 or 9 months we will repot this and then set this material just like this, in this position that we have decided, and then the root system we will, or the root players we will develop, and then we will spread those roots so that it will give you an illusion of a double trunk tree in nature. This mother and daughter, or mother and daughter combination inspires me to work with, because these pictures my family, especially my wife and my daughter, that you know. Hope you have learned in this episode, and hope you have enjoyed our workshop. And then to those who haven't yet subscribed to our channel, kindly hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. And it will help me for making more videos for you. So guys, hope you like our bonsai episode for today, and may you have a happy and bountiful new year. So happy bonsai!